Hims might come down some more today. Huh?
See? In the car, I didn't bring it in. I'm gonna bring it in. Okay. Can you just give me a little bit? Okay. There we go. Nice move. See? There we go. Pencil looks good for short. What is this? Nice. And there we go.
Hims comes down. Hims.
Yeah, that's finally right.
It has a level 2 on the daily and a level 2 on the pre-multi.
All right, let's check it out. Oh, nice. Hold on, I gotta take a partial here on this. Very nice. I got that level 1 on CRCL to the downside.
Yeah.
On CRCL, let's keep dropping. Oh, beautiful. Very nice. Yeah, I'm on 4 shares of CRCL. I'm up to over 2 hours on it on just 4 shares of CRCL.
Nice.
Yeah.
It is kind of a shock. PONY.
PONY, okay.
That's earning and now it's dropping.
What? Sorry, PONY, right? PONY. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yikes. That's a big one. I'll do the Al Brooks underneath, or sorry, Momo underneath that. I'm gonna go get it now.
If you can. I don't know where the tire is.
There we go. Beautiful. I'm up 3 Rs on CRCL now. Still haven't taken a partial yet.
Nice. Wow, Meta is up a lot today.
What, sorry? Say that again? Meta?
Yeah.
Meta's dropping?
Oh, it's suited up.
Oh, it's shooting up? Oh.
Are you in HIMS?
No, I'm not. Is it going down crazy?
No, it's just going down slowly.
I'm probably short throughout CR here. Nah, it's above the moving average. Tesla looks good for a possible short. Needs to get through this 200 trigger moving average, but it could be pretty nice. ACHR, okay, let's take a look. Oh. TradeNet guys are shorting ACHR. Now take a look at the ACHR is going straight up. I like Tesla to the downside. If it cracked this 200, looks pretty good. But it hasn't been able to crack it yet. That support right there. All right, come on, Circle. Keep going, buddy. Keep going. All right, Tesla looks good. Hopefully you can break this moving average here. It's 200. on, Tesla. Let's go. AMD is trying to go higher.
Market all-time high today.
I think so. Yeah. Crazy. Wild. CRCL. Oh, CRCL is at the 200 period moving average on the daily, so makes me think that this probably won't be able to go higher than. Let's see here. Apple. What's Apple doing? Apple. Oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Apple's looking like it wants to go back down. We'll take the META. Holy cow. Holy cow. Yeah. Here comes Circle. Keep going, buddy. Let's go, Circle. Keep dropping. Wow. All right. Let's see what happens. Apple looks interesting for a short. Had a engulfing bar. See if we can run a little lower. Tesla's going. There we go. I think Tesla's going to get through this 200. There we go. There goes Tesla. Come on, Tesla. Keep going.
Yeah, market till 3 off.
Oh, okay.
Maybe. Let's see. Amazon also dropping.
Oh, okay. CRCL looks like a 3-bar play to the downside. Probably a new low coming. Let's see. On CRCL. Alright, Tesla. There you go. Come on, Tesla. A little lower. Keep going. Right through yesterday's close. Come on, CRCL. Come on, there we go. Get the drop. Get the drop through here. A little lower. Alright. The RCL looks like it's bouncing now, so I just got out. I like that pony right here. Just did a
Yeah, did a level 1.
alright. Oh wow. Take a look at coin. Coin could be a nice short here. Level 1. Once we get it. Once we get it. I'm gonna take a look at. There we go. There we go. Come on, Tesla. Keep going. There we go. Drop. Drop, Tesla. Drop. There we go. Alright, Tesla's working well for me.
That's one great, man.
There goes CRCL. Alright, let's see if we get this move. Come on, CRCL, let's go. I jump back in.
Alright, zooming in with you.
Rebar play to the downside. Hopefully we can break through this 20-period moving average on the 15. Come on, baby. Let's go. There we go. Come on, CRCL. Let's go. Let's see if we bounce at the 200 at this 20. No, come on. Keep going. Keep going. Come on, CRCL. Get back the whole gap. Get back the whole gap. Come on, get back the whole gap. Let's go. Let's go. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Might have to get out of the CRCL if it bounces back up, but we'll see.
try a short on him.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's a nice daily chart to short.
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's take a look at this HIMS here. HIMS. Yeah, that's a nice kind of consolidation. I'm gonna wait for it to break the low day, but I agree with you. It could be pretty nice. It's got a bunch of topping tails. The VWAP got triggered. We're at support here. If you look to the left, actually no, we're not. We got 46.93. We got some room. We definitely got some room.
I'm taking a shot on the CE.
CE. Oh yeah. That looks very nice. Yeah, that looks great. Going small though.
Yeah.
And then add on confirmation, you know?
Yeah.
Right now it's breaking the low, so that's good. And then once it confirms and we get follow through, we can add another piece to it.
Yeah.
Let's see, what's the market doing? Market looks like, did the market do all-time new highs and then pull back? Like new high failure, basically?
Pretty much.
Oh, okay. Well, if that's the case, then we might actually have a new high failure on our hands and a pretty good opportunity to short some good things. Let's see. That's funny. They're trying to buy the bounce on coin right now.
Gonna
What are you guys doing?
add to this pony.
PONI, pony,
Yeah.
like you mentioned.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Level 2.
Yeah. And it's a shot gap, so PONI looks good. Level 2.
PONY, right?
PONY, yeah, PONY. Sorry, my bad, is it PONI? Ooh, it's hard to get filled here.
It's okay, I forgive you. ONON, that's a level 2.
Alright, let's take a look. ONON. ONON. Interesting. Yeah, I'm not going to try to short this one. Look, it could be pretty good, actually. I think we're a little late on that trade.
Mm.
The VWAP was the one to short, you know? I pulled back up, but...
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Come on, let's go.
Can we get out this CLCL for now?
Yeah, I did. I got out. It looks like it might have found the support at the 20 period moving average on the 15.
Yeah.
Does that mean it's going to keep going higher? Probably not, but, you know, at least get out of that trade for a little while. Ooh, nice. All right, here we go. Very nice, very nice. All right. There we go. Him's looking better.
Him better.
Beautiful. Tesla looks good still, too, to the downside. Hasn't been able to get a 5-minute new high yet, so... I think CRCL is going to be still a short. I think it just is going to be one of those grinders, unfortunately.
Yeah. Is that level 1 fake move that we often experience.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. The first time it tries. Yeah, exactly.
Amazon 3-ball play maybe.
All right. Amazon. Tim's looking better. That CE closed strong, and then it started to have fall through, and then it didn't. So, like I said, I think the gap's too big.
Yeah.
There we go. I might re-jump into the CRCL here. Tesla's working. There we go, Tesla. Let's get this. Come on, keep going, baby. Keep going. Oh, PLTR is actually might be a good short too.
Yeah, well, we missed all
Cracking the 200 now.
Yeah.
Ooh, yes, Tesla. Keep going. Come on, buddy. We're almost at support here on Tesla. I'm a little worried, but hopefully we get a little bit more selling. There goes Hams.
There goes him. Yep.
I like it. Let's go. Come on, Tesla. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. You guys want to see a trade that I did a level 1, but I didn't want to tell anyone because it's against my rules?
What?
Take a look at Hood.
Wait.
I just said, you know what? I'll do a level 1. If it fails, then, what's the worst that can happen? I have to go long.
Yeah.
And I got this freaking massive dump, and I'm like, oh my gosh. I was not expecting that. I thought maybe a pullback to the VWAP. But now it's totally turning red for the day. Looks great.
Right, an inside day. New high value often.
Exactly, yeah. That's what I was thinking when it was shooting up. I was like, this is going up into yesterday's high.
All-time high, too.
All-time highs, yeah. And it's not breaking it. So I figured, there we go.
Corny has that.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, Hens got me in. All right, NVIDIA. Oh, sorry, Tesla still going down. Great. All right, here we go. Market selling off. Come on, baby. Hands, come on, baby. There we go. All right, I added to Pony.
Yeah, I'm adding to Pony right now.
What the heck? I'm so good when the market drops. I'm such a better trader on the short side. It's crazy. just I get way easier follow through. It seems like.
It
Right,
seems
Hams,
like
come on, baby.
Yeah,
Let's go.
it seems like that's the case.
And look at that, just like that, could bounce right off the 200. LTR. Looks like it's gonna crack this area. All right. I think what I'm gonna try to do eventually is actually do a counter trend trade on Tesla. I'm just gonna wait for it to get really exhausted though. I want to try to capture the counter trend trade. I think there's definitely going to be a counter trend trade eventually.
Yeah,
But is it going to be an amazing counter trend trade? I don't think it's going to be. I think it'll just be a little short term bounce. But still, I think it could definitely be kind of cool. All right, I'm reducing my stop loss on Pony to the next bar. Okay, here we go. All right, what does Tesla look like? We got 2 minutes still going, 2 minute bar by bar. That's good. If Tesla could get down to 327, that would be insane. But that would be quite a. It's not unreasonable if the market continues to drop, but. All right, come on, hands. Probably should move my stop loss on hands now to the top of this current bar. It's almost done. Got 1 minute left, so it's not a bad idea. Just move it to the top of this one. All right. Man, that guy is still trying to short ACHR on TradeNet. Look at that thing. It's going up. Not trying to short a stock just because it gapped. It's just because it gapped down, They're like, oh, gotta be a short. Oh my God, CRCL is gonna be a grinder. CRCL is gonna be a grinder. And I'm gonna be missing out on this move. That's so annoying. I'm not good at these grinders. They piss me off. Yeah, grinding. I mean, technically speaking, you could jump in underneath this bar. Should I try a counter trend trade on Tesla now? On the 2 minute? Yeah, I gotta wait for a 5 minute doji bar. That'll be a lot better. All right. Come on, Tesla, keep going.
What's what to do with hymns here?
What's that?
Hymns?
Hymns?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably should pull your stop loss down to that bar, that bottoming tail. All right, here we go, CRCL, let's go.
Oh my gosh, now I don't even know how to jump into that thing.
I jumped in because it closed underneath the low of that, and so I just figured, forget it, I'll just try it. I'm risking the top of that current bar's high. And if it turns into a doji bar, and then triggers over that, then that means that the stock is basically a grinder, and I'm not going to be in it, I'll just be like, oh, whatever. Yeah. So annoying. Tesla may pull back up to the VWAP soon. But maybe we'll keep going. I want to try a long on it soon. But I need to get that really nice doji bar going. Okay. Can try a long on Tesla if we want it on the 2 minute, but it's a little sketchy. I'll try it. Just triggered on a 2 minute. Let's see if it actually follows through on the 5 minute. I'm doing it with a quarter of a wrist, so it's not a big deal. Will we get a pop? Or will we get more downside? 2 minute. I'm watching it. See if the 2 minutes gonna trigger. 2 minute triggered, and now let's see if the 5 minute triggers. Doesn't look so good. I might get out of this if it doesn't trigger soon on the 5. Well, we'll see. There we go. Now it triggered on the 5. But I don't like that type of bar. It's not a doji bar or anything like that. It's not a narrow range bar or anything like that. So it's not my favorite. Probably trail this to basically underneath this 2 minute bar. Yeah, it does. I mean, I do think it's sold out pretty good. 15 minute looks pretty oversold, but I don't know. I feel like trying to catch a bounce on this is silly if it doesn't have a really good pattern.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. I got out. I'll wait. I think the 5 minutes better idea. But I'm currently out of the stock down to the short side, so we'll see if it can fall through or if it's going to bounce here. What's the market doing? Market's going sideways here, being strong. The LTR is trying to go back up. All right, Tesla now has this doji bar with a topping tail, so I don't want to try to go long on that. That's a Hitachi candle. And, yeah. That. Whoa, okay, him's got me out, break even. Damn it.
Okay, I'm still in that thing.
Alright. Yeah, it took me out. No problem. No problem.
I decided to flip ON long.
Oh.
That could be a mistake.
ON long. Well, you get the level 1 here. So I don't see anything wrong with the pattern. The location's a little iffy. That's what I would say. The location's a little like, do you really want to go against the 8, the 20, and the VWAP and the 60?
Yeah.
But you got the 200 underneath, so you do have a higher term. Oh, nice. Look at that Tesla.
One thing about
Wow, I got out of that. Wow.
One of the reason I thought is like a lot of times this stuff it's gap up, it's moved down, then it just slow down and put it in level 1.
Yeah.
Sometimes has a nice pull back to the VWAP.
Just a trap. Yeah.
Yeah, so I thought.
Oh, you're saying ON to go back up towards VWAP. Yeah. I see what you're saying. Yeah.
So sometimes it does that. So
yeah, sometimes. Also keep in mind it already did that earlier.
that's true. It's true.
But could it do it twice? For
Could
sure.
be a new low
For
value
sure.
too, so.
Yeah, it could definitely do it twice.
It's him not listening to
Hims is a piece of crap, I tell you. What the heck? Yesterday as well, right? And look if you just sat in yesterday's trade as a swing trade, you'd be up on it today.
Yeah.
It's almost like you just you know, have to almost give it to the widest stop loss ever.
Yeah.
You can't manage it bar by bar. You can't, you know, you have to manage it pivot. So basically your stop loss is pretty much 48.65, and you can't get out until it get there. If you really want to stay in this. But if you're trying to be tight and like have a good risk reward and stuff, you're gonna have to you're gonna end up getting out. Taking it on the chin.
Yeah.
CRCL almost took me out, but it didn't, so I'm in it still.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this,
Getting a nice drop here. Kind of wish I went bigger share size on this one, but I went smaller shares. I think Hood, H-O-O-D, looks very interesting for a short. Look at the daily. It might be triggering a level 1 on the daily soon. Daily chart right here. And then you also got this bounce. If it gets underneath the low of day and the pre-market, you're basically in multiple time frame alignment and everything on the idea. Now, you probably have to give it a wide stop loss, because I don't think it's going to give you a nice little tight stop loss here. I think it's going to keep going. Come on, CRCL, let's go, buddy. Keep dropping. I want it to get through the 200 here. Oh, I don't know. I think it's going to come back, tap me out, break even. Another grinder. Maybe. Ooh, wow. Look at anyone that tried to short that Tesla just a second ago. If you didn't take partial fast with that move, you're in deep trouble. That was insane. ONON is working for you.
Oh, it's working. Yeah.
Yeah. Just make sure your expectations are in alignment with the type of trade you're doing. So, like, you know, you got your bar by bar move on the 2 minute. Looks pretty good. I would probably manage it off the 2 minutes so you don't give back anything.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a pause right here just because I know it's gonna be choppy right here at the 8.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it looks like it.
Check out XOM, could be a nice pullback for the 8.
Okay. Trying to manage this CRCL here. Tesla, I think they're trying to take it up to the 8-period moving average. You could scalp this long if you wanted. Here comes the scalp. Let's see what happens to. I'm going to take hands off my chart for right now. I'll come back to it a little later.
AMD has a nice pullback to VWAP in the 8.
Okay. Yeah, then let me take a look. AMD. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Right up to the VWAP. Let's see how it responds right there. And take a short. Pretty good. I'm all out of CRCL. It is turning out to be a grinder.
Wait, that's great. You need to.
Which one?
CRCL, if it's a grinder, then just do.
No, at least, well, I'm thinking it could be a grinder, but the thing is, I can't manage the grinders, because if the grinders turn into if it turns into more than just the grind, then I get back profits, and I also turn a break-even trade into a losing trade.
Well, sometimes a little losing is for bigger wins.
I know, but you've had a situation where you manage a certain way, and then you end up losing 4R for the day based off of that idea.
How the heck you lose for all on one trade.
Oh, oh, okay. All right, Tesla. Tesla gonna get lower. I like this. Yeah, POTR, AMD, looking pretty good.
HIMS still looking good.
Yeah, let me take a look.
Moving
HIMS.
slowly.
Are you still in it? You're still in it?
I'm still in it.
Oh, dang, you managed to pivot. Good job.
Yeah, I mean, I'll just wait for the ball to finish.
Yeah, you're much better at managing on those pivots than me. I want to see a move, and then if it doesn't go, then I'm like,
Yeah.
getting out. All right, so here's CRCL, right? Let's see if this is the bottom, and if not, and it goes down again, then I'm gonna be so pissed. Because I had some really nice trade in the morning, and then second trade was okay, but it came back to my entry. Oh, it looks good for more downside. There we go. There we go, level 1 on hood.
You want to do a counter trend TNXP, Jason?
What direction?
Now it's going up a lot. TNXP.
I don't know if I want to try any counter trend trade. If that thing is going up on its own, then that means there's some strong,
Yeah.
But let me take a look. I'll see if it, TNXP. TNXP.
That thing has a 17.
Oh, dang. Yeah, that's amazing.
That thing has a 17% fee. 17%.
Oh, it has 17% fees? Oh, forget that.
So it's not that bad.
Really? Wow.
Well, let's just watch it. I bet you anything it does. If it does a doji bar, you can get a nice, decent pullback on it.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, hood. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, hood. Let's go. There we go. Come on, hood. Break the low. Break it. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. Nice. See if we get follow through on hood. There we go. Come on, hood. I jumped back into that HEMS level 1 because I'm thinking maybe that's the pivot, but I'm doing it way smaller. But I have a feeling it's still going to go.
Pony stopped me up and then coming down fast. I don't know how to jump back in.
Pony, P-O-N-I?
Yeah.
P-O-N-Y, sorry. Let's take a look. P-O-N-Y. P-O-N-Y. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, that looks nice. Look at that. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Just got to manage them by the pivots, I guess. Yeah, it looks great. Wow. It's really hard to get filled on Pony for some reason. My first order always doesn't get filled. I have to cancel the order. Wow, that's funny. In order to get filled, I have to press to short and then press it twice, and then I get filled, and then I have to cancel the first order because it just sits there. What a load of crap.
Yeah, see?
I was just trying to, okay, here we go. Building the position. So far, AMD not triggering a level 1 yet. Looks like it's going back up into resistance here. All right. Hims. Was that exit on Hims the right exit from earlier? Let's see. There's that pivot.
Still hasn't break the 8 yet, so I think you'll be okay.
All right. Let's see here. Whew. Let's see. Tesla's trying to still go down. Nice. See how extended this thing can get. That'd be pretty awesome. Wow, the market is going up and Tesla's going down. So there you go. Oh, it's a weakness. The market even takes a nosedive right here. It might even make Tesla even go lower. Very nice. This is awesome. All right, come on, Tesla. Come on. Dipping it down below. I'm watching PLTR. That's going back up. Oh, what happened to Meta? You were saying Meta was going straight up, right?
This came back down and bounced off the 20. Now it jumped back up.
Okay, take a look at ACHR. That's that one that the TradeNet guys have been trying to short the whole morning. I'm like, there's no reason to short it. As soon as it got above the pre-market level, it's bullish. You know, it's got to get underneath that 8 and that 20 for me to want to short it. Did you see that picture I sent you, TA, where I showed you our AI trade, and how you're, like, the one that you jumped in was not a smart one? Did you see why?
I don't remember.
Okay, well, the reason why yours was not good is you were doing the lower high level one, which is, the pattern's great, the pattern itself, but you were shorting into a rising 8 and a rising 20.
Oh.
So they weren't even crossed yet. They weren't even, you know.
So
Okay, here comes AMD, maybe a level 1 here. Hasn't triggered yet.
You mean AMD long or short?
AMD short if it triggers. It's at the VWAP. This is normally the spot that I like to short a level 1 at, but we'll see. I have a feeling it might not trigger. It might just keep going higher. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna still go. I guess if it does a Hikaki candle or something like that, then I'll be interested in it for later.
Can I move this pony?
Oh, pony's going great. There we go. Move my stop loss down a little bit on that one.
God, it takes forever to fill.
I know, right? Like, what the heck is going on here? It really, you know, I think my conspiracy theory on that is when it takes forever to fill, it's because the market maker doesn't want to take your order. Because basically they're trying to hedge all the selling that they're incurring. So they don't want to take your order, because if they take your order, that means they have to accept shares that they don't want, but they technically have to do that. So what they try to do is postpone your order, because they're planning other little sneaky attacks, you know, that they're going to do, which really is upsetting. Or the other idea is that they can't take your order because it's it's down more than 10%. Because it's down more than 10%, it's on a hard to borrow situation.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, look at AMD still going up. So good on that, not shorting that. Let's see here. All right, Tesla triggered a level 1 to the upside here. If you take this, I think it's a scalp. I don't think it's that great of a long. Especially then because the market's up and Tesla's down, so all it takes is the market to just flip. And this level 1 will fail. But, you know, it could be worth a shot. Oh wow, AMD's still going. No level 1. What the heck, man? Let's take a look. What happened to our CRCL? Did that just keep going down?
No, it's going back up.
Okay, so my exit was pretty good on that, I guess.
Yeah.
Not too bad, not too shabby. So now, basically, you could probably take CRCL to the upside right here, targeting the. Yeah, I think CRCL probably goes back up to the. All right. See if Tesla keeps going up. Tesla going to break that pivot. There we go. Come on, Tesla. Keep going. Level 1. All right. Nice. So hey, my exit on Circle is pretty good.
Yeah.
You know?
So we go along to the VWAP?
What's that?
Should we go along to the VWAP?
You could, yeah. Technically speaking, the pattern looks good. I don't love the fact that there's
60.
the 20 below, but then again, yeah. I think momentum wise, you could take it long for a little spike up here into the VWAP. I mean, but then again, take a look at everything. I mean, take a look at Hood, take a look at Tesla.
It's not that it's not that great with 15 for CRCO
Yeah.
anyway.
That's what I was worried about. That 15 is now above it,
Yeah.
So not the best, not the greatest.
No.
But it hasn't triggered a reason to short. Let's just put it this way. It hasn't even given us a level 1 to the downside. So basically, until it proves that it's bearish, it's probably a good idea to be sort of neutral on the stock, or neutral to short-term bullish, until it proves a bearish sentiment with a level 1.
Yeah.
I think Tesla's got plans to continue down. Well, we're going to get a level 1 on AMD, but I don't like it now. It's kind of a bummer because it's a little bit, I don't know. Oh, okay, the Fed is talking now, guys. Just FYI. Some Fed person.
They need to shut up.
What?
They need to shut up.
They need to shut up? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop ruining the trade.
Ruin all my trade.
Yeah.
Freaking how to get out of this pony.
Oh, which one? Oh, pony? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I got out over that 5-minute bar. Gonna be another one of those freaking grinders. That's okay. The ONON is looking really nice.
ONON?
Yeah, the one that you were gonna take long, right?
Yeah. What's nice about it right now?
It looks like it did a level 1, right?
Yeah.
Up at the 8 period moving average, then it tried to go down, then it did green bar. So now we've got a level 2 possibly forming that could trigger to the downside and basically sell off back to the 200 period moving average, which is 47.65.
Okay. Well, because I actually flipped it short on that level 1 of the 8.
Oh, you did. So you're in it. You're just holding it through this consolidation.
Yeah. So, but right now
Okay.
I don't like it that much either. I might just get out break even right here because I don't wanna sit here and figure out what's gonna do because I don't know what's gonna do right now. It could go up or could go down. It's in this range.
It's in the range. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I'm waiting for it to get underneath that green bar. I like that.
Even if it's underneath that green bar, I still don't like it.
What's up?
Even if it's like go down below that green bar, I don't like it either.
Oh, okay. I'll probably do it if it gets underneath that green bar because that's a level 2.
Like,
so that's a perfect example of what I talk about secondary signal.
Wouldn't that be underneath the low of day?
No, the green bar that it just formed, the previous green bar.
That's a level 2.
Yeah, like created. Watch. It created a level 1 or at 1020. Then it's pulling back up. It's creating a lower high now. And then if it gets underneath that, could be pretty nice.
Okay.
Let's try it. Let's see. It says I can do. AMD triggering a level 1. Oh God, it's so tempting. But I know I shouldn't. Because where it's at, I don't think I'm going to get fall through. I think I'll probably get 1 bar move in my favor. And then it'll fail. Also, the ONON looking even better. Look at, so ONON now going sideways even more. So this is nice. So, we'll see what happens later on.
Check out PUBM.
PUBM. Okay.
It's gap down. Now it's putting double top.
I'm gonna take AMD off my watch right here, based off of what it's doing. I think it's gonna break even higher. But man, that pattern looks good. I wish it was just a little lower.
Yeah.
That would be very nice. Just a little lower, AMD. Sorry, which was the one that you mentioned?
PUBM.
PUBM. PUBM.
Yeah, I'm thinking it could be a double top right here.
Yeah, that's true. I see the pattern. You got the rising 8, the rising 20, the rising 60 now.
Yeah.
Where's that 200? Where's the 200? 200's still above it. So the longer term, probably hourly is bearish.
Yeah.
If you go for it, just be careful.
It is a counter trend, so not.
Yeah, I mean, I would say you got the gap going for you, which is nice. But
Yeah.
what's to say it won't do exactly what ACHR did and continue to go higher?
Yeah.
But you know what you could do? You could go in with like a quarter of a risk.
ACHR is a different beast though. ACHR is actually an engulfing. Oh yeah, you're right. Gap down, but pre-market is bought. Yeah.
Yeah, the way I look at it is if something cracks the pre-market level, to the upside, even though it was gapping down, then there's a reason.
Yeah.
And I want to probably stay out of it unless it gets really climactic. Like you could have taken that first level one for a little short. I mean, I guess you could do this if you want. Just basically going away maybe with smaller risk, so that way you don't.
Yeah, you're right.
And if it works out, if it turns out to be a great trade and you got the top,
Yeah.
and then it goes down to VWAP, and then it doesn't bounce and it breaks through VWAP, well, then you can add to it. Like, there's no harm in, like, finding another entry into it and adding into it.
Yeah.
Where you'd be adding is where I'd probably be taking my first trade, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
So it's not a bad, bad idea as long as you.
Look at BBAI. Oh my gosh.
BBAI.
Yeah, I was in it long. I added to it and it's going up. And now I stood up some more.
BBAI. Oh, nice. That's another gap down that's basically above the moving averages.
Yeah.
So you went long on that?
I went long on it. It's above the
Very nice.
above the moving average. I'm like, let me go long.
Oh, that's great. Great job. All right, so here's a level one that you could take. It's not the best.
Which one?
But this,
on ONS?
This is on PLTR. So it triggered. I'm in it, and I'm going for a scalp.
Wait, at the VWAP?
Yeah, it's kind of crappy because look where the 20 period moving average, the 8 period moving average is, 200 is. So my guess is it fails. But I'm willing to try this, kind of like the way what I was telling you, small risk.
Yeah.
And then if it continues to drop for some odd reason, and I get this nice move, then I can add to it, underneath all those areas. Oh. Tesla's setting up possibly a short. Just give it some time here. I'm waiting for that 20 to catch up to price.
Oh my god, HIMS, come on, man.
Oh, you're trying HIMS again?
No,
I just gave up.
I'm still in it. This whole
Oh, you
time.
are? Oh my gosh, wow.
It's never picked me out, and it's still below the 8, so I'm like, why not just stay in this thing,
Yeah, I agree. It's just such a grinder, man. Dang, that sucks.
Really grinding.
Yeah, it makes. I guess now I've figured out what the definition of a grinder for me is. It's when a stock creates a new low or a new high, and then only gets one to 1.5 bars of move.
Yeah.
And then creates another level.
Mm-hmm.
And so it keeps creating these levels, below levels, which is great. So that means, obviously there's a lot of levels that the stock would have to get through in order to become bullish.
Yeah.
But it requires extreme patience because nobody wants to freaking, everybody wants instant profits. It requires a lot of patience. There's the ONON.
Yeah.
Here's the level 2 I was talking about.
I'm
just
very
waiting for
good
it.
with this pattern on ONOM. So I'm just gonna stay out. I don't have a good history with it.
Oh, you don't have a good history? Okay.
Yeah, it's my ex, man. It's my ex.
I'm gonna try it, and
Yeah.
we'll see if we get that target to the 20.
I think it's
Sorry,
good.
200.
I think it's good for a scalp. At least for me, I think it would be the scalper.
Yeah.
I just never have a good, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. PLTR, come on, buddy. Let's go. I might get out of this over this 2 minute if it triggers, because I know better. There we go. I'm all out of PLTR, triggered on the 2 minute.
God dang, pony, I wonder if this makes one down still.
PONI. PONY.
Yeah.
PONY.
So damn annoying.
PONY. So now that PBUM is working for you,
Yeah.
move your stop loss to the top of that current bar. And then if it gets down to VWAP, take your first partial and then look to add back into the trade underneath that maybe. We'll see. At that time, the 20 and the 8 may cross. All right, ON. Let's go, buddy. Let's go. All right, I'm jumping back into PLTR. I think PLTR looks okay.
ON. Yeah, it looks
Actually,
better now. ON looks better.
Screw it. I'm not gonna do. Okay. Oh, PONI triggering a level 1. Oh wow, look at that CRCL. So that was good to get out of that.
Yeah.
So sometimes the grinders turn into legit, you know.
So that long would have worked okay.
It would have worked, yeah.
It was
It
okay.
yeah, it was bullish, and it still hasn't even produced the level 1 to the downside yet. So technically speaking, it's candle by candle, it's bullish right now.
Yeah.
Until it produces a level 1. All right, let's see if this ON will get going here. Let's see if PLTR will get going too. Let's see, Apple kind of at the highs here. All right, PLTR is working. I got out of that for break even, but then re-entered on a 2 minute. So we shall see. Kind of like this follow through here. Hopefully it doesn't hit me in the face. And hopefully you can get through this moving average here. ON, come on, buddy, keep going. Come on, get through this low. PONI looks pretty good. Got that little level 1 at the 8. Do you jump in that? Level 1?
Something with OMLM is in that range that I don't have a good history with.
I get it. Yeah.
Yeah, often.
Yeah, it's kind of shallow.
Often that shallow produced a thing like this. See?
Exactly. Yeah. Wow, CRCL is coming back up. Crazy. I guess that long was the right place to go long.
Yeah, well, we didn't take it, so.
No, yeah. Now it's up into resistance at the VWAP here. So,
yeah.
Will it get rejected off the VWAP?
Oh, hey, check out this one, RKT.
RKT. Oh, yeah. It's going back down.
Now it's breaking the VWAP, the 8 and the 20.
That's true. Very nice.
Man, him is just not going for me.
HIMS is a freaking piece of crap, I tell you, man. It's very frustrating. Very frustrating.
Oh my god, finally, UNH finally moved on the swing trade.
Oh yeah, UNH is going up. Let's take a look. UNH. Very nice. Right up into the 20.
Yeah, I have to take a partial just to lock it in.
Oh. Alright.
Watching RECI pull back.
REI.
Nice. Nice. Look at guys. Look at the LTR. Hopefully it keeps going.
Very nice.
There we go.
Google was looking pretty bullish early in the morning, and now it's coming back down.
Yeah. I make
Alright, I got
a
out of
lot of money
ON.
on Google.
Oh, what's up, Google?
Yeah.
Let's see what's going on with Hood. I'm in Hood, level 1. It's working.
Hey, him is working now.
Hims is working now?
Yeah.
Nice.
Takes forever.
Yeah, well, sometimes we get, yeah, you're right. There it goes. Very nice. See if we get some momentum here.
Yeah.
I did that level 1 on Hood, and it's going down. We're almost at the pivot low.
Him is producing a level 2 in the 15 minutes.
Oh, it is? Okay, great.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I hope we can come down to
Hey, level 1 on all ECI.
REZI, okay. REZI.
Okay.
Yeah, strong, nice move. It's so close to VWAP. I would love to see for it to just test VWAP. That would be nice.
But it's on the support.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. All right, Tesla's going. There we go. Come on, baby. Here we go.
Hey, it's only two things about OZI that kind of make me worry. Is one, why it's dropping so much after that top.
Dropping?
Yeah, 2 is below the 8. That's the only two things that kind
You
of.
can always give it a
It's
secondary
never
entry.
dropped below 8.
No, it's dropped below 8.
Yeah, it's below 8.
All
But it-
ECI?
Yep. Lynn, I thought you don't
Oh,
use
the
it.
8. I didn't have 8. I have 20 and VWAP.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you got rid of all the indicators.
I do on the higher time frame. I do have it.
Wait, on what time frame?
Like 5 and 15.
Oh, I thought you said you got rid of all the indicators.
I use an entry on 1 minute, and I don't need those.
Yeah, the 1 minute, I guess you don't need it.
Yeah. 1 minute's like, yeah.
But 5 minutes is not really a high time frame.
Yeah, I would say like probably hourly is a pretty good time frame. Hour.
I guess on the minimum, maybe 15 minutes is considered higher. But most people trade at 5, so I guess an average time frame.
Yeah. Should we try a CRCL short right here off this 8? I mean, off this 20 period moving average?
It could, because considering that it's at the 15 A, I think. CRCL, let me see. But
Come back up.
But then I may
All out of PLTR. 2 minute just triggered.
AMD might break above.
AMD.
Yeah, the 200.
Yeah, put in a level 2 is that.
Oh, let me see. Yeah, 'cause
Yeah.
I passed on the AMG to the short side. I wonder if that was the right thing. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that was it looks like bullish. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you're right. Could take it here, level 1 right here. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
level 2 right here.
Let's
also-
do it.
Wait for it to close strong and then take the next bar. I'm a
Let's
little
do
worried.
it.
I'm gonna wait for this bar to close. I think that's what I'll do. Because I want to see it actually close. And also, if you look to the left, we still got some resistance there. So I just want to see it close over that bar. Give me some, sign that it's really gonna actually go.
Oh, market go up, but then PUBM is going down.
PUBM, okay. That's good.
Yeah.
And you got the 3-bar play forming too.
Yeah, I was gonna should I add to this? I'm adding into the pony so far is not a good idea.
Yeah, not a good idea, yeah. That's where the bounce would happen. And then you're like, oh, just ruined my cost average, you know?
Yeah. Oh, you know
Like-
what? I'm getting out of right here.
Oh, there you go. Well, see, it is what it is, right? Like,
Yeah.
as long as you have the expectations that you know you're fighting the trend.
Yeah.
So what happens when you fight the trend? You get small profits.
Yeah.
And if you don't, you know, if you get greedy, you give them all back.
Yeah.
It's looking better. It might start building some momentum here. This could be nice.
Yeah.
Alright, AMD is almost going to close. Here, let's see what the next bar does.
You know,
I
have
think
you
the target
taken
would be the pre-market high, which is at 175.
have you taken any trade yet, Diana?
I think Giano might be muted.
Yeah, I'm actually in QCOM right now. I took a pullback to the 8.
Nice. Let's take a look. QCOM, nice. Beautiful.
And then I took a Uber.
Level 1 right there. And then you just make sure don't give back don't let it, you know, like we talked about yesterday, just, you know, lock in some profits. Okay, you got the Uber from the VWAP?
No, I got it on. That was a super fast loss. I got it. I think it was on the fourth bar or something like that.
Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Oh, when it broke over those 2 topping tails?
Correct.
Dang, yeah, I could see that being difficult for sure.
Not the best quality.
Yeah, but you know,
I gave it a shot.
I could see that working. If Uber had a different daily chart than what it has now, like look at Uber for the past 3 days. Look at that big engulfing red bar.
Yeah.
So
I see that,
Uber
yeah.
on the daily chart is just trying to go back up to where it engulfed from, right? So basically, it's got a lot of trapped buyers in it, that big red bar. As you can imagine, so it's because it's got a lot of trapped buyers in it on that big red bar. These momentum kind of plays are probably not the best, whereas the pullbacks are probably a lot better. You know, momentum is like, I guess the way I look at it is the most aggressive type of trading, aggressive type of buying is momentum. You know, where it's like, oh, you know, it just breaks and it just goes right. But the least aggressive type of buying is like pullbacks. Because basically the buyers or sellers are just waiting. They're not aggressive, you know. Oh, look at AMD. Glad I didn't take that. Waited for it to close. Did it close? Nope. There you go.
Market might pull back again.
Any person that took that AMD is going to be in deep trouble.
I just took a short on Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah, not the best, but I think it could come back down.
MZN. Oh, beautiful. Just the daily chart is kind of annoying where it's at. I don't know if you guys see well, it could get back down to the low. Yeah. Interesting target.
Yeah, it's not the best, really. Probably a C
Yeah.
setup.
There's a lot of strange relative weakness right now in the market on some things.
Oh, maybe ACHR could be a short now.
Okay, let's take a look. ACHR. I see that. I see what you're saying. Yeah, you got the level 1 there. I don't know. I'm not gonna do it, but I see it. I see it. It looks good as far as the pattern goes. I just don't like that the daily, this is an engulfing bar to the upside, so I just kind of want to stay out of that. But hey, if it fails, if it tries to pull back to the 20, fails, and the 8 and the 20 cross like AI yesterday,
Yeah.
I will totally be down for shorting that. I'm just trying not to repeat what happened to AI yesterday. You know, I tried that short and it didn't work, and then you tried it short afterwards and it didn't work. And then I looked back and I said, why did we go short on this? And then I realized, oh, we should have waited for the moving averages to cross. And then I looked at all the entries after the moving averages crossed.
Yeah.
And they all worked. They all worked. I'm like going, oh my gosh, like that's hilarious.
Yeah.
You know, so it's like, I don't know. I'm just not gonna do it, but
Ooh,
I do see that the pattern is really nice. I would take this if this was gap down.
look at the ONON now.
Okay, let me take a look. ONON. Is it going straight up?
No.
Oh, looks good. Looks good. Ooh, that looks beautiful. Wow, the rejection off the VWAP a couple times.
Yeah.
Wow, okay. And the moving average is now caught up to price. I definitely think underneath this pivot could work all the way back down to that 200 period moving average. That's very nice.
Look at TNXP moving up.
TNXP, all right.
Oh, we got out of him break even.
XP. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you got out of hands, break even.
Yeah.
That's what happens with the grinders for me. Oh my god, Tim.
But this
What?
not.
It's a grinder. It's a grinder.
Yeah.
Now watch. Will it ever take out the prior pivot high? Probably not. It'll probably go down again. Like, I'm telling you, I tried this, like, you know, when I try these grinders, I'll try them like 3 or 4 times that day. And at the end of the day, I have like either tiny little paper cuts or a lot of break-even trades. And then I'll look back and go, how did I not get the move? Like the move, it ended up grinding all day to the downside. How was I not able to get any profits out of this? My bias was correct and my entries were really nice. What the heck? And then I'll look there like, yeah, well, there you go. Oh, take a look at PBUM. PUBM. So there you go. Perfect example of, you know, why we don't short. But then again, your short was okay as long as you just did it for 1 bar, you know, 1 or 2 bars. Just go for a scalp and then you're good.
Yeah.
Like if you're like, hey, I want to scalp ACHR, you know, I'd be like, yeah, go for it, whatever. You know, you probably get there it goes, or it drops, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But I just don't think it's a good idea to hope for more than maybe a quarter of an hour unit, you know, unless you for some reason are able to get a really tight stop loss, which usually is not the smartest thing on these.
Well, I didn't do it, so I missed that.
All right, I talked you out of it.
No, I mean, it could have go either way, you know?
I mean, think about the guys that, at least, I will tell you one thing. At least you're waiting for a pattern to short, right?
Yeah.
That's great. At least you're waiting for a level 1 to short it.
Waiting for the
TradeNet guys, he was shorting it as the bars were producing green bars.
Okay.
So the bars in the first morning as it's going up, he's shorting it. And then he's adding to the position as it's going against him. And it's going against him, and he keeps adding. And I'm like thinking to myself, at least we have something that keep us out of, you know, losing randomly.
Yeah.
Because you can't. At the end of the day, if that's your technique and you win on that, how do you quantify that? How do you go and say like, this is, you know, I'm going to repeat this every day,
Right.
and I know exactly, you know, there's no way to quantify that. Whereas at least the level 1s, if you start having good luck with these level 1s, at least you can go, okay, I see what happens, how I should approach this, how far away the 20 period moving average should be when I do it. Kind of you can quantify things, you know.
I think him's going back up. So I guess I got out. That's a good spot.
Yeah. CRCL looks like a VWAP pullback here. You know, but I don't like that the 8 and the 20 are almost crossing now. So I will not take this first entry if it triggers. I will have to wait for a secondary signal. But we'll see. I tell you one thing that's good about ACHR. Were you watching the 15-minute?
ACHR. Oh, yeah. Nice level
So,
one.
yeah, that's the first level one there. So that's the first time it's ever produced a 15-minute new low. So
Yeah.
I like that. I like that aspect of it because that gives me, you know, confidence when I'm taking a 5-minute entry. If the 15-minute is also triggering at the same time, then I'm like, oh, okay, great. Or if the 15-minute literally triggers afterwards, then
Yeah.
I feel confident. But honestly, I find out my best trades are when the 15-minute triggers at the same exact time the 5-minute triggers, or the 15-minute triggers slightly before,
Yeah.
and then I'm playing in the direction of the 15-minute trigger. So, like, for instance, HIMS, also with this, and this only goes with the trend, but HIMS triggered a 15-minute new high right now, right? So if I was going to take a short on HIMS, I'd be going against the new 15-minute level one. But like, for instance, if I take a CRCL short level one here on the 5-minute, and the 15-minute trigger is a little bit later, that's going to make me a lot more confident. But what I could do, just wait for the 15-minute to trigger on CRCL, and then look for a 5-minute entry. That's why I had that ChatGPT build me that study.
Yeah.
It tells me what the 15 minutes doing. Like, for instance, I look, the ON, the 15-minute is doing an inside bar. CRCL, 15-minute inside bar. You know, PLTR, 15-minute is up bar. So there you go. I think ON might be my last trade for the day because I have to run.
Break even for the day.
You break even? Okay, not bad.
Yeah, I was up for like 1 hour and I was down almost 2 hours and up 1 hour and then now break even.
Okay, not too bad, not too shabby. I made about 5 hours, so
Nice.
I'm happy with that, but I wanted to make more.
Yeah.
And I think HIMS, Pony, some of those ones kind of just started eating away at my profits. I made like 3 hours in the morning on CRCL.
Oh, ON coming down.
There we go. ON, there we go.
Level 2.
Yeah, there's that level 2 we were hoping for. Hopefully it can break it. It's down. It's getting down by 3 bars. I entered off of, when you mentioned it, I was like, oh. So I entered off of the level 1 at the 20.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm just thinking, let's see if we get followed through here. Good to, sometimes I'll watch the tape, not the level 2, but I'll watch the times and sales.
Yeah.
To see when something breaks, when these significant areas of break, I'll notice the tape will speed up.
Interesting. Look at the ON on a daily, on the hourly, it's producing a 3-ball play.
Okay, ON. On the hourly,
But then
yeah.
the hourly chart on the Thinkorswim is kind of dumb.
It's kind of dumb, is that what you said?
Yeah.
Jojo.
Yeah.
Not Jojo.
Well, I'm just moving my stop loss on ON above this last 5-minute high. So if this level 2 that breaks to the downside doesn't have follow through, it'll just come back, take me out, break even, and then I will call it a day. But if we can close underneath this level, then I feel a lot more confident on adding to the trade. Let's see what happened to AMD. AMD, I avoided that. Okay. AMD might be setting up for the long side. We'll see.
Okay, so PONY now is at the 20.
PONY?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. PONY. Yeah, I see that. Let's see. Okay, so PONY at the 20. See if we get a level 1. Kind of looks like we're probably going to break through it, but we'll see what happens. Gonna take a look at Hood here. I was in Hood earlier. Took a partial at the low of day, or close to the low. Okay, now it's back up. So that was a good management on Hood. I got that level 1 at 1040. It dropped. I took a partial right into the 200 again, and then when it went down a little lower and it came back up, got out over the 2 minute, and now it's just coming right back up into that 20 period moving average again. PLTR, that was a good management. That's the problem. The level 1s that triggered for me afterwards, like PLTR and Hood, they weren't ideal. They weren't like, so I didn't want to take too many of them, but I think the one that was the most unideal one was AMD to the short side. That's why I didn't take that, because it was above the VWAP. At least PLTR was below the VWAP when I took it short, and Hood was below the VWAP, but they didn't have everything. They didn't have multiple time frame alignment. Oh my God, take a look at PUBM. PUBM.
Holy cow. What?
How many times do we have to have this happen to us for us to know, go with the trade.
I saw
go
that.
with the trend.
I saw
go
that.
with the trend.
Yeah, I saw that ball played with like, he's not going, why is he not going now? Just sort of out of blue.
That's so funny. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look. What happened to ACHR? Let's see if ACHR does similar things at the 20. Here's that 20. Depending on how it's funny. What I've noticed, what makes the 8 and the 20 cross are two things. If the stock breaks underneath the 20 with crazy force, then tries to come back up and then fails, that'll make the 8 and the 20 cross. Or if it goes to the 20, bounces off the 20, comes up and then fails, that'll make the 8 and the 20 cross. Or if it makes a new high for the day and then comes back underneath the prior pivot low, that'll make the 8 and the 20 cross. So basically the 8 and the 20 cross, once that happens, it's almost telling you that the trend is weak. Whatever direction it was originally is now getting weaker.
Yeah, no, you think Uber might be a short now? It's below the VWAP.
UBER, let's take a look. I mean, it closed underneath there, but
yeah, we're gonna wait for.
Not a great daily chart.
No.
I don't think I want to trade it because it's inside a big ass candle.
Yeah.
I want to find some outside days here. Something that's like, outside.
Like
ONON is outside. This ACVA is outside.
Check out VZ. It was outside, now it's inside.
Let's see, VZ. AMD looks okay. VZ. Oh, damn. Yeah. But take a look at those moving averages right there. So it's gotta get through them for me. If you're taking
why are we missing target?
What's up? Target's going out?
Yeah.
EGT. Oh, beautiful. And there's a pullback right to the VWAP. Oh, why didn't I see this? Well, probably why I didn't see it, because it wasn't on my gaps list. Let's see. Let's see if it pops up on my scanner, though. If I go to screeners here, intraday, let's go to the percentage up.
So what's the difference between target and REZI.
REZI. Oh.
REZI. REZI. What's the difference?
Yeah.
Well, remember I was saying earlier I want to see REZI at the VWAP.
It's not the VWAP now.
It's now. Yeah, now it is. But it failed a level 1 prior to that. That's why I didn't take that level 1. It's too, not close enough to the VWAP. Did you take that level 1, Lynn?
No.
Oh, you didn't? Okay.
I think showed it high.
No, I think it was good not to. I was hesitant on doing it myself because I was just like, the pattern looks good, but it's so close to VWAP. Might as well just wait for it to get to VWAP, I think a lot of people are thinking that too, because now it's getting bought up. So this level 1 is somewhat decent. Right here, it's a lot better. Oh, wow. What's going on with Tesla? Tesla's PSLA. Let's see what it did. Oh, I love this. I love that it did this. Okay. All right, guys. I'm calling it a day.
Okay.
Yeah, ON just got back to my entry. I don't want to be in it. I'll put an alert here for underneath this 4904, and if it triggers, I'll come back, take a look at it, and maybe trade it. But really nothing that I see. I was waiting for Hood to get some follow through. It doesn't have follow through. Tesla, I don't want to take it long here, but I don't want to take it short here. So just too many things I don't want to do anything with. And I'm trying to find some clean charts. Oh, CRCL worked.
Holy cow, look at PUPM.
Is it just going through the roof?
Going through the roof.
Wow, amazing, beautiful.
Gap
yeah,
down,
how we get to that $8.82 there.
Gap down, so I didn't think that we can keep going up. Yeah.
I know. Sometimes it's hard, to. You look at the gap down, you're like, it's gap downing for a reason. It doesn't have bad news, and then it'll trade up, and you're like, why is it going up?
I guess some people consider it a discount.
Yeah, and there's shorts that are covered too. There's short covering. There's also, do you remember when something gaps over 10%, that triggers a short sell restriction? So now the only selling that can occur.
That's only for a downside, though.
Sorry, say that one more time, TA?
That's only for the downside, right?
Yeah, only for the downside. Yeah, there's no short. Yeah, so basically, if you want to short.
Okay, yeah, I see. Yes, you're right. Yeah.
You have to short it on the ask, so that means you have to wait for the stock to hit your short orders that are up.
Mm-hmm.
And
CRCL looking interesting.
Yeah, it does look interesting.
But considering the history of this,
I know, right? This thing is psycho. I like that the 15-minute triggered on CRCL. So you got a 15-minute level 1 on CRCL. So now if we can just get a little bit of something to happen on the 5-minute, we can be in alignment with the 15 and target that low day.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. The market is making all-time new highs right now. So, don't go against the market now.
Oh, no. The market I actually jumped in long a few days ago. No, last week.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, when it's below the 20, I'm like, this probably gonna go back up.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
And how it did. Yeah. We're only in one share, so I want to add to it, but I'm waiting for it to come back down to add. Oh wow, look at this one stock. SLV.
SLB. Schlumberger?
SLV.
Oh, SLV. SLV. It's a silver or something, probably.
I have no.
Is that silver?
Oh no, it's
Is that just like
something from BlackRock.
Oh,
Is it an ETF then?
I don't know. It could be an ETF or some sort of stock that tracks like the price of silver or Bitcoin or one of those things.
Oh,
Wow, look at Tesla just. Yeah, they're double bottom, man. Double bottom. I wish there was a way I could take double bottoms and feel confident, but I never feel good because I feel like I'm going against the trend, and I look at the overhead supply that occurred, and I think to myself, why would this go up? You know, but then I have to realize, if I look at the location, if I get a good location, then it should work a lot better. But it's the same exact idea on those double tops, like the one you took on ACHR.
Oh.
I always feel like if I take a double bottom or a double top, that it's a scalp. You know, I just feel very scalpy.
Yeah.
Like I just want to get in and get out because look, now ACHR back up. You know.
Yeah.
Like I don't think I'm gonna get strength or momentum, but sometimes I get lucky. You know, and I guess that's where the management comes in, because if you manage the bar by bar on Tesla off of this double bottom, you'd be up like maybe 3-4 R's on this trade. Whereas if you manage the bar by bar on ACHR, you would have made maybe like one R at the most. So sometimes one trade will make you 1 R, one trade will make you 3 R's, and some trades will make you 0 R's. You know.
Yeah.
And then some trades you'll lose an R. So, but the best ones are when you can lose a very small amount. You know, like you get into the trade, it doesn't seem to be going, give it a few bars, it acts weird, goes sideways. You just say, okay, I'm getting out, this isn't going. And then it turns out that was the right thing to do, because once you get out, the thing just keeps skyrocketing. And you would have lost an R anyway, you know, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Like, take a look at PLTR. You know, that was good management there. Now, if I come back to ONON and it's basically through the VWAP, I'll feel pretty good about my management. Because I'll be like, okay, great. I didn't need to take a full R loss on that.
Oh, look at Uber shooting back up.
Interesting.
All right. Talk to you guys tomorrow.
All right,
Lynn. Have a great day.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. All right. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day too. Just great evening.
Yeah. See, markets shooting up to the stratospheric.